Next topic we are going to discuss today, major World Trade Organization function, major functions of WTO. Okay, here the major functions of WTO are: first one, cooperation with other international organization, that is the thing GATT or IMF or IBRD, each and everything. Second one, administering World Trade Agreement, that is the main important second function. Third one, handling trade dispute for all the 189 member countries. Next one, provision of technical assistance and training for developing country, who all the countries they become the member of which one, World Trade Organization. For that countries, the World Trade Organization, they can provide both technical assistance as well as training. Next one, monitoring national trade policies. Each and every activities they can given certain important technical advice also. And next one, last one, forum for trade. What is the main important procedure they will undertake, and then only the export will increases and import will reduce, and thereby the member country they can solve the disagreement balance of payments. These are all the main important functions undertaken by World Trade Organization. Clear? Next one, achievements of World Trade Organization, that is achievements of WTO. The main important achievements of World Trade Organization can be classified into three important headings. First one, use of restrictive measures of balance of payment problem has been declined. If any one of the country they are having the main important balance of payment disequilibrium, at that country they are having the main important problem, they can get the financial assistance from World Trade Organization, and thereby they can put the full stop for the problem. So BOP problem has been declined. That is the main important achievement made by World Trade Organization for their member country. Whatever the nature of the country, they are put the full stop for that problem. Next one, opening the market for trade and investment purpose also. Trade not only for development of trade as well as investment purpose also, they can provide the loans and facilities and medium and long term facilities, that is for 15 to 20 years. Last one, created a process of continuous monitoring of trade policy development. Not only provide financial assistance, not only here they are giving technical advice, they can also closely watch each and every member countries, what is the step they are taking for the development of the particular country. Each and everything they can have the close watch, and thereby they can also provide various important technical advice, and in order to achieve the growth and development within a very short span of time. These are all the main important achievements undertaken by World Trade Organization. Next one, World Trade Organization and India. How India they can also achieve the growth and development, and what is the main important benefit our country received by means of World Trade Organization as a member. India is also one of the main important founding members of World Trade Organization. India they can receive four to five important benefit they are receiving from World Trade Organization. Reducing tariff rates on raw materials and capital goods. Raw material means you people know very well, for producing a finished product, raw materials is basic thing, and for that purchase the tariff it will be reduced. That is the main important benefit received by our country India from World Trade Organization. India gets market access in several countries, and we can also open the market for very global level market for our country product, that is for our country India. Next one, advanced technology. When international trade takes place, we can have the main important benefit. What is the main important benefit we are having now? We can copy what is the main important technology used in another country also. So copy of that is advanced technology, we can also not only copy, we can also apply the same technology in our country production process. Next one, India in a better position to solve the trade disputes. Whatever the trade problem disputes, when there and whenever it arises, there and there it can also put the problem, and there, whenever the problem arises they can also put the full stop. Last one, India benefited from wider market information. That is the main important policy, LPG, liberalization, privatization as well as globalization. These are all the main important thing and points regarding World Trade Organization and India. Clear?